Akwa Ibom girl say, what do you want to drink? Now I say, tell me what you have. She say, we get him Inek. That's Henneke. We get him Budweiser. We get Small Star. We get Leyen. We get Big Star. We get Hero. We get 33. Brother, I get one drink. Where Koro? I say, which drink did I say? We get him Starara. Ladies, man, I take this, you know. Not be every time, man, carry you, come out. Man, leave you, go peace. Man, they go peace, so. Men, they go calculate B. I don't enter toilet. One man carry 2 girls, come out for Lagos here. For toilet, at the end when the man, as he look big, he shout, no. 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 No, this is wrong. No. Brethren, I'm not say the man get gonorrhea. You know, as a man, if he treats staphylococcus 5 times, they can call you chief of staff. And I go come clap now.
M.O.P. Sleep of Tall.
DJ, thank you. That's what's up, my nigga. That's what's up. To those of you who don't know me, they call me the most successful handicap. Where they cap. Now maybe the only comedian for the full Nigeria. Where one hand short, one long. See him by yourself. If you no clap for me, your hand go spoil. May God spoil something in your life. Clap for me or receive it. I greet all the chairmen. Odibola, I greet you. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Spry. I'm online cultist. Through WhatsApp group, I join with you, I join. Nigeria sweet, oh. Now for Lagos here, Timaya go do show. Timaya come they sing, come ask the crowd, who can sing any of my song? Now somebody raise up hand. Now Akwa Ibom man, Timaya no no. Akwa Ibom man sing Timaya. Timaya say if they no arrest him, he no perform. What do we hear? Me I know they do rock. Uno they pay yakaro. Me I know they do rock. Uno they pay yakaro. You don't want to walk, you want to fall. You don't want job, you want to fall. Everybody fall, go the other way. My brother, no rock. Even Timaya don't know say nice song. Brethren, Nigeria sweet. Now for Lagos here, I jam Curtis. Where they were like this. He leg no good. He jammed me for backyard the shot. Oh boy, I go straighten you. He go be straighten me, now your leg bend. No, brethren, Nigeria is okay. No stress yourself. No stress yourself. Ma push it. Oh boy, see sexy. You don't see sexy handicap. With this one short hand, I may be breadwinner for my family. Imagine say the 2 hand long, no be bakery. On I go come clap, until I die, now I go rest. Brethren, I carry Akwa Ibom girl for Lagos. Enter room. Now the guy ask me, say, brother, are you ready to fuck? If you are ready to fuck, lock the door and swallow the key. I said, how woman go ask this type of thing? Baba, now lock door, swallow key. Akwa Ibom girl, hang leg for fan. Use one hand on fan. Fan the road, you get the road. The girl the road, fan the road. Me I give the girl different style. Bam, bam. That's how they shout, baby, you are good. Baby, sister. Baba, talk. Now Akwa Ibom girl look me say, shut up! If you want fuck, you want talk. Why do you fuck and talk at the same time? Nobody can fuck and talk at the same time. But concentrate on one. Nobody tell me I concentrate on one. I say, I don't go bar where Akwa Ibom girl they serve. I say, waitress, what do you have? Now Akwa Ibom girl ask me, brother, what do you want to drink? I say, drink? That means the drink don't expire. I said, what do you have? Akwa Ibom girl say, what do you want to drink? Now I say, tell me what you have. She say, we get him INEC. That's Henneke. We get him Budweiser. We get Small Star. We get Leyen. We get Big Star. We get Hero. We get 33. Brother, you get one drink. Where Koro? I said, which drink did I say? We get him Star Rara. On I go come clap. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to end with this. Ladies, man, I take this, not be every time, man, carry you, come out. Man, leave you, go peace. Man, they go peace, men, they go calculate B. I don't enter toilet. One man carry 2 girls, come out for Lagos here. For toilet, at the year when the man, as he look big, he shout, no, 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 this is wrong. No. Brethren, I'm not say the man get gonorrhea. You know, as a man, if he treats staphylococcus 5 times, they can call you chief of staff. And I go come clap now. The man there, they shout, no, no. Brethren, now wait, me come out. I say come out. Now look. I say, okay, what happened? Now you show me bill. As I see the bill, 1 man, 2 girls, bill 840,000. Now me begin shout, no, no, no. Brethren, now the man tell the waitress, analyze the bill. Now waitress, analyze bill. 2 Hennessy, he said, I can see it here. 15 fish, he said, I can see it here. 4 Jameson, he said, I can see it here. The one where shock all of us. Now when they say 400 water, the man don't know when he asks, anybody bath? Now maybe the only comedian for the full Nigeria. Where 1 hand short, 1 long. See him by yourself. If you no clap for me, your hand go spoil. May God spoil something in your life. Clap for me or receive it.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like the video. Drop your comments and turn on the notification button so you see other beautiful videos when they drop.